You know, everyone is talking about AI these days, but what does it really look like when it starts to transform an entire industry? Well, today we're going to zero in on real estate because one company, Compass, is making a huge bet. They believe the future isn't just about building some new AI tool. It's about using AI to connect every single piece of a puzzle they've been building for more than a decade.
And this quote, it really says it all. You got to pay attention to those two words, connective tissue. See, for Compass, AI isn't just another shiny feature. Think of it like a nervous system that's designed to finally make all their existing tech work together perfectly. And that one idea, that's what this is all about. But to really get why this AI strategy is such a big deal, we need to go back in time a bit. Because this isn't some sudden knee-jerk reaction to all the AI hype. No, this is the final piece of a much bigger, much longer game.
For 13 years, think about that, 13 years, Compass had one single mission: to build the absolute best workflow platform for real estate agents. That's over a decade they spent just laying the digital groundwork for an agent's entire business. And as far as they're concerned, mission accomplished. The company is confident that they've built this best-in-class platform that thousands and thousands of agents trust and use every day. So, with that huge task finally done, the foundation is set.
All right, so with that solid foundation built, Compass is turning the page to its next big chapter. And yeah, you guessed it, that chapter is all about artificial intelligence.
So what do they call this? Agentic AI. Now that might sound a little technical, but it's pretty simple. It's basically a smart assistant that's woven right into the fabric of the platform. It's not a single button you click, it's the intelligence that connects all the different tools, turning a bunch of separate tasks into one smooth, seamless workflow.
And this part is absolutely crucial. They are not throwing out 13 years of hard work. They're making it better. The goal here is not to replace the platform that agents already know and trust, but to inject it with an intelligence that makes it, well, way more powerful.
But let's be real. In a world where every single company is jumping on the AI bandwagon, what makes Compass so sure that they're the ones who are going to win? Well, they believe they have a unique advantage that nobody else can copy.
As they see it, their whole strategy rests on three pillars. First, they say the right team is already in-house, ready to go. Second, the AI isn't just for agents, it's going to make their entire company more efficient. And third, and this is the big one, they claim to have the only truly end-to-end platform in the business.
So what does all that actually mean? Well, having the team ready means they can move fast without spending a ton of money on hiring. The efficiency gains help everyone, from their engineers to their support staff. But that last point, that's the real linchpin. Without their fully integrated platform, this whole agentic AI vision just doesn't work.
Okay, so what exactly do they mean by an end-to-end platform? Imagine a single command center for a real estate agent. One login, one system that manages the entire life cycle of a deal, from the very first handshake with a client all the way to the final signature on the closing documents. It's everything, all in one place.
And this is where they draw a line in the sand. On one side, you have their single, integrated platform that's built for a smooth workflow. On the other side, they say, their competitors are relying on a messy patchwork of different third-party software. They argue this creates a choppy, frustrating experience for agents, which hurts the brokerage's value. Their approach, they say, does the exact opposite.
So that's the strategy on paper. It sounds good, right? But what happens when the rubber really meets the road? Well, Compass recently gave its own agents a little glimpse into the future they're building.
So picture this, a massive all-hands meeting. There are thousands of agents in the audience. The leadership team gets up on stage to demo the next version of their AI live. I mean, talk about a make-or-break moment.
And the reaction? A 2-minute-long standing ovation from thousands of agents. Now think about that. These are the people on the front lines, the ones who actually have to use this stuff every single day. For them to react with that kind of energy, it shows this isn't just hype. It's a tool they believe will actually change their work for the better.
And you know, this isn't some far-off dream either. It's happening right now. After that incredible reception at the all-hands meeting, they're launching a beta test of Compass AI 2.0 this fall. And from there, it's a full company-wide deployment.
The goals for this first version are completely laser-focused. We're not talking about flashy features just for show. It's all about real, tangible results. It's about enhancing agent productivity, which really just boils down to two simple things: saving them time and helping them make more money.
So all of this leads us to one massive question.
Compass is betting the farm on the idea that an AI-powered, truly end-to-end platform is an unbeatable advantage. If they're right, could this model become the new gold standard? Could it completely redefine the entire real estate industry? That really is the billion-dollar question.